We're in for a good time. Welcome back. We are at Lloydminster Motor Club's swap meet. It's actually the mini meet swap meet, kind of a ramp up for their year-end meet coming up. Brought the Jeep out today, not Rexus, not the Tundra. Probably could go get Rexus, but then I started to get both vehicles back, so. Did another quick revision on the tune, seems to have fixed it up a little bit. Some cold start issues still, and some idle lurching. Still got to dial the RPM in a little bit, but it is better. Working with the tuner still, he's doing a great job. So we'll do a bit of a walk around. We got some pretty neat things. We got a turbo XJ here with a 4-liter homebrew job, a 2-wheel drive Chevy pickup, a airbag, older, I believe it's a Toyota truck, and yeah, just a nice wide range of vehicles. So we'll do a bit of a walk around, we'll talk with a couple owners, and we'll be going from there. Nice old square body. And a very underrated car. This is not an SC300, guys. It is an SC400. Which means it came with the 4-liter V8, 1UZFE. This is the non-valve variable timing motor, so it's a little bit lower on power, but they handle boost a lot better. This guy was out cruising with us last night. The old bird did pretty good. Took on the Ford ST. The ST spun a little bit and had a little too much weight, so maybe we'll get a rematch. And typical at swap meets and any of these meets, somebody's working on something.
No, I opened up my hatch and it fell out.
Ah! And this is why we call it swap meets, guys. People bring their stuff that they don't want. Always neat little cars. This one is a little bit of a local legend. The old Randy Marsh mobile. It is now another member's vehicle, Anthony Quinney. And everybody has their own flavor on every vehicle. It's still just a clean little Kia Soul. I always like these vehicles. Even if they aren't the fastest in the world, they're still a neat vehicle. Do it again? That's insane!
We put that on just the other day.
These 4-liters are great though.
I got that on video! When you went into there and sucked it close.
You really gotta do some hard bites for that.
The full throttle is
I know,
but when I'm driving it, it takes those legs and running 10 pounds pressure straight.
So this is just like GG's Jeep.
So,
somebody put
do you need some 2.5-inch bikes?
Oh, he's got the other one with
when it's under loaded drive,
the 318. It's just when it's like this, when it's not under load, it doesn't suck. It doesn't
Have you
suck.
put a camera underneath to watch it when you're under load, stepping on it? I don't believe it.
Hey,
Fucking shuts itself right
you
off.
got sockets here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's pull the hood off to go down the road.
I don't.
Sockets in the Jeep.
If it's doing it there,
Yeah, pull the
it's
hood
going to
off.
be just as bad, if not worse, under load.
But it holds a 10 pounds pressure.
Yeah, you can still hold 10 pounds pressure. So here's a dynamic. Instrument mechanic, instrument technician. As I squeeze a pipe down, pressure increases. As pressure increases, you can still read the same. This amount at 10 psi, and this amount at 10 psi, right?
Yeah.
This amount at 10 psi, a lot more flow. This amount at 10 psi, little to no flow.
Yeah.
I would highly suggest
Getting some hard.
some hard pipe.
Yeah.
I personally would reclock this turbo. If you can move this,
Oh yeah, everything's getting
reclock this
moved.
turbo over here, come over with a sweep and in. And then,
Yeah.
so what you're gonna do,
That even keep the charge pipe away from
yeah,
the heat too.
then what you can do,
Can you see?
LMC mini meet / swap meet. Tyler decided to show up.
Watch out.
Smoke. Coal, rolling coal from a goddamn diesel cruise.
Those are the ones that I got on my truck. I go on on 619 from Range Road 14.
Yeah.
I light up the Range Road 11 sign
No shit.
from 14.
Alright, throw them in my shop, man. I don't give a shit. Fill up a wall.
Where's that switch?
Don't fucking blind me though.
I know how bright they.
And that's the spot beam.
Yeah, it's got some kick, yeah.
Yeah, the flood ones, these ones are all diffused, and
Yeah.
the center one's the spot.
Nice lights though.
I am for
Love
sure going to get a CA.
Yeah,
like
they're
this.
ugly.
I love it. It's reality is I've always been a Ferrari guy. I've loved Ferraris. I don't fit in Ferraris great,
Yeah, it's a poor man's
and
Ferrari.
it is, and that's fine. But I'll make 1,000 wheel horsepower for under 100 grand,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be fun as hell.
Yeah, but I still
Yeah.
don't think that's
Oh.
what that should be. Like that's
No.
all part of me. I like that.
That's no, then I get it. Old Mopar, if I could feasibly drop $100,000 on a numbers matching Mopar, I'd do it.
all over it.
Like without a doubt. And that's the same thing. If I could feasibly grab a 69 Camaro or a split bumper Camaro, I would.
Early 70s guys.
Yeah, because, dude, like that's the generation of just awesome.
Yeah.
Right? And where I'm at is classic example. You've got the modern muscle era. For the most part, just sitting right there, right?
Yeah.
Like Chevy's trying to almost get away from their muscle era. They are going a little more refined.
They're going
Right?
fucking
No more Camaro. No more Camaro. Camaro's done
Which is
after.
okay. They're ugly
Yeah,
as fuck
dude,
anyway.
that new generation's trash.
Yeah, it looks ugly.
But yeah, like I look at it this way: is like Dodge. You know, so many people gave when the Chargers and the Challengers came out, everyone hated them. But as that 6.1 came out, and then they've refined it.
I still like the Charger.